So this US 30 analysis for Thursday, the 26th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we saw this break towards a 25.243. We've had a pullback from a 25.243, which acted as resistance. We came down for a near perfect test. We came within a couple of points of the 25.101. We traded all the way down towards our 25.104. So within about 3 points of the 25.101 for a near perfect test of 25.101, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum return to the market from the support at 25.101, breaking above the 25.243, had a bit of a breakout here, large momentum candle, taking us up towards our 25.439. We've traded through 25.439, came pretty close towards a test of the 25.500. We've had a pullback and now we're in a consolidation slightly above the 25.439. So if we do see this bullish momentum continue as we have previously, we're looking for a test of 25.512. 25.512 has significance on the daily chart as it was a swing high from a couple of weeks / months ago. If we do break from there and if we do see this continued volatility in the market of the US 30, the levels that we are looking at here to the upside are as follows. So if we do break 512, we're looking for a move up towards our 25.600, 25.660, beyond which we're looking for the move up towards our 25.708. I don't anticipate prices moving much beyond 25.708. The very next level of significance is, of course, the 25.879, but I would expect the far end of the range to be in around 25.708. Now, if we do see a bit of a counter trend move here, if we aren't able to hold on to this 25.439, if we do see a subsequent breakdown, retest and hold of resistance of 25.439, the very next level beneath us is pretty clear. It's the 25.243. And if we do see quite a bit of volatility to the downside, the very next level of notes to the downside would be that 25.101. Now, in around the 25.101, we do have daily confluence of a 200 period moving average. So that does increase the likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce if we do see a retracement below this 25.243. Also, would require quite a bit of volatility to get down there. So in around 25.101, we do have daily confluence. 200 period moving average does increase the likelihood of bullish buy side momentum, possibly take us back up towards that 25.243. Now, let's just have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. So here on this daily chart of the US 30, we've come down towards the 24,000, found support, had a strong move to the upside, brief pullback, further momentum to the side, a somewhat deeper pullback here, from which we did see a marked slowdown in the momentum to the downside, as indicated by this candle similar to a doji, not quite a doji, has a pretty narrow body, open to close range, pretty narrow. We posted a doji, and after which we posted this rather bullish candle. So we did have a bit of a flag forming here from a daily chart perspective. We have seen a subsequent break, and we've seen the momentum fall through yesterday, taking us up towards that 25.512. That's the very next level that we are looking at here on the US 30. So the 25.512 corresponds perfectly with this swing high to your left here from March. Before we did see this sell-off. So in around at 512, we did see this sell-off from March. So we do have to be aware that we could see another sell-off from that level. Well, a pullback from that level. I shouldn't say a sell-off. A pullback from that 25.512. And if we do trade beyond that, of course, we did mention the 812. And let's just see where these highs are just here. So I'm just going to have a look where these highs are in real time. So we do have some highs in around that 25.825. So we'll go down to these 25.825. So let's just change the scaling here. 25.825. So it's not currently marked out on the charts. I'm just going to mark it out now. So let's see. 25.825. So let's, this is taking a bit longer than I'd like. 25.825. So 5.825. and which would say it was a high from February, I think it was. High, put it on March. Let's put it as March. So we're just going to mark that out on the charts. Let's go have a look at it from a daily chart perspective. There we are. So it was in around March. It was late Feb, actually. So I suppose we should say Feb just to be correct here. So it was a high from February early this year, and just mark that out. There we go. And those are pretty much the levels that we are looking at here on the daily chart of the US 30. So get scaling it correct. So as we can see, it's pretty clear that we have had a move here to the upside on the US 30. We've had a pullback from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum return to the market. So we'll see whether we will pull back from 25,439 and have further continuation to the upside here on the US 30. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.